Happy Monday, my beautiful Glam Squad. This is Dalou. In this video, I am going to show you the update that I made in my master bathroom. And then we are going to add a little touch of Christmas. If you are visiting me for the first time, welcome to the family. We are having a lot of fun here. It's all about glam, especially for this Christmas season. It's glam, glam, glam. I am having a fantasy white Christmas in a frosted forest, aka a winter wonderland. We do a little bit of DIY as well. If you're interested in any of these, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. To you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate all of your love and your support. Without any delay, let's get started, my beautiful friends. Initially, this is what the bathroom looks like, especially when I first moved in. Over the years, I did a little bit of touch-up, not much. I added a glam tile on the side of the mirror. That's gonna elevate it a little bit more. I've been wanting to do a big makeover in this bathroom, but they are asking for so much money. Honestly, I don't even see why they are asking for so much money. I get it, it's a lot of work, but come on, you guys. This was a good DIY. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you are looking for ways to add a little something to your bathroom. You may find some inspiration there. As of today, this is the transformation, a big change, and I am enjoying it. I'm gonna start with the mirror. This is an LED mirror, and that was the inspiration behind the little mini makeover. The mirror is by Lost Pass, a seller on Amazon, and this is where you can find it. These mirrors are not that expensive and they make such big transformation to any room. The size of my mirror is 60 by 36 inches. This is a double LED mirror. It is also backlit. It has 3 lighting modes or options. The first one is a lighter one. Let me show you. One is a little lighter, I think. This is the one you have been seeing throughout the video. And now it's more of a warmer tone. The video cannot throw me off on the third one a little bit. This is a close-up on all 3. The first one is the very bright one. That's why it's looking a little bit blue on the close-up. And the second one is the warmer one. And the third one is a color in between. The second best part about the mirror is the fog feature that prevents the mirror from being foggy when you taking a shower, which I think it's a really good option to have. I really like this mirror. As you can see, it does elevate the bathroom a lot. It makes it brighter, nicer, and more modern. Truly enjoying it. There is one thing I don't like though. It's not the mirror itself that I don't like. It's the installation options. This mirror came with a very thick cord. And the cord is so thick you cannot plug it behind the mirror. It's not flat, so either you have to do a wire plug then, which I don't like because it does create a couple of problems. Number one, if you need to remove or change the mirror for anything, you need to get an electrician, therefore you need to spend more money. Number two, if you do a plug-in, you have a big cord that you have to deal with and it's difficult to hide it. For example, this is my outlet for my downstairs bathroom. I was not able to use it. Instead, I had to use the adjacent outlet. And I installed this outlet for the purpose of plugging LED mirrors. I would rather that it came with a flat cord that can stay behind the mirror like a TV or something. As you can see, I have it in my downstairs bathroom as well, and it's looking really nice. I did a good job at hiding the wire. I would definitely recommend this mirror. The little thing that I just mentioned earlier is a small thing in comparison to how the mirror will transform your space. Other than that, put it on the wall was pretty easy. It came with everything, including the bracket, to have it on the wall. Thanks to Lost Pass for donating me and helping me transform my bathrooms with these beautiful mirrors. I know it's the holiday season. Many of you might be doing mini makeovers in your bathroom, in your home. This is a great one. Link for it will be in the description box. I really didn't like my countertop since the day that I moved into the house. It was one of the things that I like the least. Although it was expensive, that's what everybody was using. For me, not a fan. I was never a fan of this color of countertop. I'm surprised I did not change it since the day that I moved in. I went for a simple white, no vein, nothing countertop. That's exactly what I had in mind. And I absolutely love it. It is so white, it's ridiculous. It has no shine, it's matte. I got it from Wayfair, but you can get similar one on Amazon. Not Amazon, Home Depot. Of course, I had to change the faucet to a gold one. This is a shiny high gloss faucet. I wanted a matte version, which they did have, but it was taking so long to come and my contractor needed to do the install, so I went with this one, but I would prefer a matte one. But this one is nice too. It's still pretty, very modern, it's different. Yeah, I know I'm always gonna put something a little bit different. By the way, the sink came with the countertop, which you might already figured out. Then the hubby painted the cabinets for me. This is White Dove by Benjamin Moore. I love my handles. They are beautiful. They are big. They are by Golden Worm. Let me tell you guys, this company have the nicest, most beautiful door handle or hardware in the market. These little acrylic and gold buttons, I got them from Amazon a couple of years ago. Now I'm just using them. My light is very pretty. I love it too. I got it from Amazon. I love the acrylic and I love the frosted look. Very modern and chic. Now let's go add a little bit of Christmas Tsum Zoom in the bathroom. I'm starting with these beautiful hand towels. They are super cute. Such a great towel for my theme. In the corner, I have one of my clear vases. These vases are from Amazon, but I'm sure you can get in a lot of places. And then I add some Epsom. Actually, this is fixed snow from Amazon, and the bottom is a combination of fixed snow and Epsom salt. I'm sure you can get this vase everywhere, but I will leave the link for it. And then I have these beautiful berry branches. I'm gonna be using them just in case you feel like, wait a minute, Dalou, I thought you're supposed to have all white. Yes, it is an all white Christmas. But when I'm decorating things like bathroom or other little corners that are not in the main space, I don't really look for I don't really buy, should I say, decoration for them. I just use whatever I have at hand that go with my theme. The red doesn't bother me, and it is a frosted red, and I'm bringing in some white with the snow and other things. I have two of them, one on each side. Also using some of these little berries to make it fuller. And then I added one of my fir flowers. It's so good. I made some changes. I moved all the containers over here instead, okay, and I also added one of my white trees. And then in the middle, I have one of my tray. This is a very modern tray. I like it better. It's becoming, it looks less busy. Next, my soap and lotion dispenser and a candle. The bathroom makeover is not over yet. I'm gonna be adding a bidet, a chandelier, some shelves, maybe a towel warmer. That's the reason I'm not showing you how I decorate the rest of the bathroom, because I didn't want to put things up and then I had to remove them. But guys, what do you think of my bathroom mini makeover? I would like to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Next video, we're gonna go straight to the family room so we can continue to decorate for Christmas. That's where I have my 2 Christmas trees, and it's one of my main area. We still have the kitchen, the dining room, and then the home tour. I am looking forward to seeing you in all of them. So please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload my new video. Thanks for stopping by. I love you. Bye bye.